It is also possible to combine Zone AF and Lock-on AF. Lock-on AF is a function whereby the camera starts tracking the subject within the selected focus area when the shutter button is pressed and held halfway down. Choosing a focus area for Lock-on AF lets you start tracking the subject from the area of your choice. Unlike Center AF Lock-on, you don't need to press another button, but only the shutter button. Additionally, you're not limited to the center of the frame, but have the free choice within the frame. Start tracking while no obstacles are about to interfere with the subject and start tracking as early as possible. Even if the subject disappears shortly out of frame or is blocked by an object, the camera will find it when it re-enters the frame. Lock-on AF is also available with wide, center, flexible spot and expanded flexible spot.